Hello kids, welcome to Chroma Kids Creations. Today I am drawing Hare and Tortoise. Let's draw and color together and listen. The Hare and the Tortoise Race Story. Once upon a time, in a lovely green meadow, there were two best friends, Hare and Tortoise. Hare was speedy, always zipping around with a spring in his step. Tortoise, on the other hand, was slow but steady, taking each step with care. One sunny day, as they lazed under the shade of a big oak tree, Hare had an idea. "Hey, Tortoise, let's have a race!" Tortoise blinked his eyes slowly. "But Hare, you know I'm not as fast as you." Hare chuckled. "That's okay, Tortoise, it'll be fun. Plus, I could use a little exercise." Excited by the challenge, Tortoise agreed, and soon all the animals of the meadow gathered around to watch. The wise old owl, who lived in the tallest tree, hooted, "On your marks, get set, go!" With a burst of speed, Hare shot off like a rocket, leaving Tortoise far behind. The wind whistled through Hare's ears as he zoomed along, feeling confident of victory. But as he dashed through the meadow, something caught Hare's eye. A patch of delicious-looking carrots growing by the side of the path. Unable to resist, Hare stopped to munch on a few, thinking he had plenty of time to catch up. Meanwhile, Tortoise plodded along steadily, his eyes fixed on the path ahead. He knew he wasn't the fastest, but he was determined to keep going. After a while, Hare's tummy felt full, and he glanced back, expecting to see Tortoise far behind. To his surprise, Tortoise was closer than he thought, inching along with unwavering determination. With a jolt of panic, Hare sprinted forward, his heart pounding with every leap. But no matter how fast he ran, Tortoise kept moving forward, slow and steady. Finally, as the finish line came into view, Hare and Tortoise were neck and neck. With one final burst of energy, Hare lunged forward, but it was too late. Tortoise crossed the finish line first, greeted by cheers and applause from all the animals. Hare huffed and puffed, feeling a mix of surprise and admiration. Tortoise smiled at his friend. "Looks like slow and steady wins the race, after all." Hare grinned sheepishly. "You were right, Tortoise. I underestimated you." From that day on, Hare and Tortoise remained the best of friends, always remembering that it's not always about speed, but about determination and perseverance. And as they enjoyed a well-deserved carrot feast together, they knew that friendship and fun were the true prizes of their friendly race. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.